Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 error code using simple and safe steps. This error appears when Windows cannot find the files it needs to start. First, shut down your computer. Disconnect all unnecessary external devices such as USB drives, printers, and external hard disks. Leave only the keyboard, mouse, and monitor connected. Now, turn off your PC and unplug the power cable. Wait for a couple of minutes and then restart. This might fix your problem. If the problem is still there, you need to use the Windows recovery environment. Insert a Windows 11 installation USB into your PC. Turn on the computer and boot from the USB drive. When the Windows setup screen appears at the bottom left, click Repair your computer. Select Troubleshoot, then choose Advanced Options. These tools help repair startup problems without reinstalling Windows. First, select Startup Repair. Choose your Windows installation if prompted. Windows will now automatically scan and try to fix boot issues. This process may take a few minutes, and your PC may restart. If Startup Repair does not solve the problem, return to Advanced Options and open Command Prompt. Here, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. Type bootrec, fix MBR. This repairs the master boot record. Next, type bootrec, fix boot. This creates a new boot sector. After that, type bootrec, chapochanos scanos. This scans for Windows installations on your system. Next, type bootrec, rebuild BCD. This rebuilds the boot configuration data. After all commands are completed, close Command Prompt and select Continue to start Windows normally. Your system should now boot without any errors. Thanks for watching.